Hi everyone, this is Kimo Vlogs, executive director based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin yung reaction video ang performance ng Beanie, which is the Shaggy D together with Beanie Style, G22 and Kaya. Hindi dadagdag din natin mamaya yung Carrera kasi Carrera is my favorite song talaga from Beanie. So I won't take it longer. I'm really excited to watch this. Without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Patingin? Nag-Shaggy D sila, Style? Ay, grabe talaga yung musicality ng katawan nila, mami. Okay. Siya. Ay, the cellphone. Ganda ng musicality ng katawan nila. Kailan kaya nila ilalabas yung performance video na to? Or baka may music video din to at the same time. I'm really excited. But one thing I really love about Beanie talaga is their, aside from the musicality of their katawan, it's just like, alam mo yung face nila very angelic, di ba? Very funny. Actually, they're bakla. I consider them, sorry, nabublurred na naman tayo. Hindi naman tayo hapon para mag-blurred. you know. Pero wait lang. One thing that I really notice about Beanie kasi, it's just like the way hindi naman sila, alam mo yung bakla yung ugali nila, minsan demure yung ugali nila. Yung tipong, alam mo yung, how do I say this? Yung tipong, masyado sila maraming personality na pagdating sa performance sila na e-execute talaga na mabuti. You know what I mean? It's just like, for example, bago sila mag-start, may chika-chika pa yan, di ba? Pero pag mag-perform na sila, hataw kung hataw, fierce kung fierce talaga. Anyways, can we just repeat that? Grabe, is it Gwen? Grabe naman yung pagliyad ni Gwen doon. Wow! Okay. Actually, yung Beanie, ay hindi, yung Beanie may post. Okay. Yes. Fan kami to eh. Meron pang isang fan cam yung gamit yung sa Beanie mismo na Beanie na channel. Ay grabe. Grabe naman yung parang nagwawala naman sila doon. Yung ganun. Ayan o. Grabe. Grabe yun. Si Maloy oh. Si Colette. Grabe din si Colette. No, that is Stacy if I'm not mistaken. Okay. Grabe yung musicality ng katawan. Ang fierce. Grabe si Sheena. Alam mo, ma-identify mo talaga si Sheena yan, no? Makikita mo talaga si Sheena, actually. Ay. Mika. Wow, vocals of Mika. The vocals of Mika. Wow! Andito na! Oh my God, si Stel! Ay, grabe yung hiyawan. Pati yung G22 andito. Si Stella yung nag-Shaggy D. Bakit si Stella palagi nakikipag-collab? Yung ibang SB19 wala. Ang lambot ng katawan ni Stella. Grabe. Ay, yun na yun. Yun na pala yun. Grabe naman yun. Grabe yung musicality nila. Atake. Wow. Just wow. Grabe naman yun. Tingnan natin yung ano, yung fancam ng, yung gamit yung fancam ng Bini. Na-curious ako. Okay na din naman. Ito. Tingnan natin, mas clear to eh. I know, this is, no, hindi ito. Hindi ito. Palitan natin. This is Carrera. Ito mas malapit. Okay. Gusto ko yan. Okay. Medyo malayo lang yung kuha nila. Malayo lang. Sayang. Okay. Grabe si Maloy. Atake. Okay. Ayun. Grabe si Stel. Grabe ang shaggy din ni Stel. Grabe. Ang lambot ng katawan ni Stel. Seriously? Wow. Spectacular. Atake kung atake. Love it. Grabe talaga si Sheena. Main dancer kung main dancer talaga, no? Grabe, oh. Oh my God. Grabe yung katawan nila. Galing. Ang galing. Totoo lang. Anyways, there you go. So this is for today's video from Bini Shaggy D. This is Kiyo Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye.